Okay, what's up? Sawadee Cap, Paul Morrissey here with the YouTube vlog. And I'll take a motorbike ride, taxi ride from Panti Plaza, where I just bought a computer charger, back to Ceylon. Aye. So, came for 80 baht, new man. Hit me with 100 baht. I was like, yeah, I'm on the move for it. Negotiating over 20 baht. Some man was like, man, they talk about 150 baht. No way, but whatever. Decent price. And it's good crack. Damn. Man's after taking a shortcut. Now obviously, billowing in the wind and all that. Yeah. But good weave game. Man's weave game is on point. I'm a big fan of the weave myself when I'm driving. You gotta weave your way up to the front. If you ain't got a good weave game, you end up staying back and getting stuck in the traffic. Switching lanes, weave game. I need to get on the motorbike up the Shanghai, you know that? This right the bikes. Get yourself a big 250, ride up to the guys from Pep. Sir. Pizza delivery. Who gets a pizza delivered at like 2 o'clock in the day? Man's weave game is on point. Where there's a weave, there's a way. Wherever he spots a spot, he gets it. You know what I mean? Take us into the shade, man. So hot. Yes, weave into the shade. Weave on into the shade, yeah? Damn. And here, right now?
Purple shield.
So, I think there's some special Buddhist day happening today. People giving thanks at the temple, giving flowers. Driver, this dude. Serious operator. Very efficient. Switch lanes. He's got it all going on. Hope we catch up on this bus. I love how the doors stay open on these buses. It's like, if you catch up on this orange bus now, you'll see the doors are open on the left, proper wide open. Ah shit, missed it. On the other side, the bus door just remains open. And when you want to see, when you jump on that bus, you got to be ready. He stops for a split second. It's like a proper Formula 1 pit stop. On the left hand side there's two, the front door and the middle door are just wide open. Right, there's Lumpini Park, where I'll be going later. King statue. Oh yes. Noise of all those bikes, man. Funny. Can you go Decho? Decho Road? Need knowing. Okay. Okay, just after. Okay, man, yeah, here's good. My man is a serious operator. That was some efficient motorbike driving. Alright. Oi, sorry. Up on cap. Just one moment. Rồi nâng nhá. Cọp on my cap. Thank you. Cab on. There you go. Job done. Bam bam. Went to Panther Plaza, got the computer piece. Motorbike ride to and fro. 80 baht, 180 baht. So it's what? 280 baht. To and from. Computer piece cost me jet ride back 700, so all in all, good afternoon's work. 700 baht for that computer charger, year warranty. Not as if I'm going to come to them like 10 months down the line. I can't really see that warranty coming into play. But hey, better than up in Chiang Mai, they give you like a week warranty or 3 days or something. So, alright deal. So yeah, there you go. Hope you enjoyed my motorbike taxi ride across them streets of Bangkok. It was good fun. Beautiful day out. And actually, it's nice to be on the bike. It cools you down and you don't feel the heat, except when you're sat there under the baking heat. But my man got into the shade quite a bit and kept me nice and cool. Alright. Thanks very much for watching. Subscribe for daily vlogs here to Thailand over the next month, and obviously lots more besides. The football stuff continues, the barbershops on a weekly basis wherever I am. Cork, Bandon, Dublin, everywhere. Alright, so muchas gracias, cop on cab, subscribe, cheers.